That's really retro.
Video. You know what I really hate? But y'all not ready for that conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another video. As you all have read by the title, I'm back with another quick and easy installation and review for this unit that I received from Hurela Hair. I want to say this is the second time that I worked with Hurela Hair this year, but yeah, I worked with Hurela Hair before and they decided to send me another really bomb wig. Now, they originally said this hair was chocolate, and if you guys click the link in the description box, it's also going to say chocolate, but personally I think this is like an auburn color. But yeah, so the hair did come this color, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my installation, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys how I like the hair thus far. Also, before I even hop right in, I want to let you guys know I did not do this half up half down with the swoop in my tutorial. I originally installed this unit with the side part. I just switched it up today because I kind of just wanted to do something different. But if you guys do want a hair tutorial on this look, just let me know in the comments down below. The next time I do a body wave review, I can do another little quick hair tutorial like this. Let's go ahead and hop right in. Don't want this video to be too long, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Oh, that's really retro. That's really retro. Okay, so that was it for my installation. Hope you guys don't mind that I did not record this. I honestly wanted to film myself doing this hairstyle, but it just didn't end up working today. Like, it's too much to even explain. Let's go ahead and hop right in with the unboxing and the unpackaging for this unit. I did not get to film myself taking everything out, but I'll go ahead and let you guys know everything they sent me. The box did come really fast. I want to say they shipped this hair to me in like 4 days, so I believe 3 or 4 days, but it came inside this box. It had the netting and the white paper inside of the wig to keep it safe. They sent me a storage bag, a silk storage bag. This is my favorite thing to store my wigs in. I like these. I like when they send these bags. If they don't send bags like this, then I'll just use a little plastic bag, but I personally like these a lot. Then they also sent one of these little goodie bags. They sent 2 things of wig caps. I sent 3 things of wig caps. I used one of the wig caps that they sent me already that came in this. And this is the little goodie bag that a lot of hair vendors have been sending. Always the same little things. If you guys have never seen it, it comes with a makeup brush, some lashes, a headband, and a bonnet. I have like 4 or 5 of these bonnets. I have like 4 or 5 of these headbands. I keep getting these brushes, and a lot of you guys are always asking me about the little cheap eyelashes that I wear. And when I say I get them with wigs, I'm telling y'all it'd be the same eyelashes that come with the little goodie bags from the wig companies. If you guys want to know where I be getting lashes from, that's not the lashes that I have on now, but it's like I have so many of these now, I'm like overwhelmed. And then they sent this really cute little snake print headband. Moving on to the specs of this hair. This is their 13x4 lace frontal chocolate color body wave wig. I got 26 inches, and I did bleach the knots of this unit. I'm not gonna lie, when I bleached the knots, it was kind of hard to bleach because I definitely left the bleach on for like a little more than 30 minutes, and it still didn't get as bleached as I wanted. But honestly, truly, the lace is so transparent that I feel like it kind of just, you can't really see. Like, it's not like you can really see the knots from like right here. If you guys do get this wig and you bleach it, you might just have to bleach it for a little bit longer. Since it's colored, it wasn't as easy to bleach. And for this wig, with all the specs that I mentioned, with 26 inches, the unit is $344.45. And I'm going to also put my code in the description box below, but I'm pretty sure they're going to be having a sale at the time that this video is posted. Make sure you guys click and read all the information in the description box below so you guys don't miss out on any sales or discounts. Just hopping into the pros and cons, I'm gonna go ahead and just start off by saying, like, I really do love this hair. Like, I think I've been wearing this hair for nearly a month now. I know it's not that long for me to really say like if it's really gonna be as bomb as it is forever and ever. I've loved it. I've wore this hair on 2 vacations already, to Hawaii, and I wore it to Mexico. It's been through the heat, it's been through the water, it's been straightened, it's been curled. I did everything to this wig. It holds a curl so freaking well, you guys. Like, it's been a minute since I had like a wig where I've been curling it, and I really love the curls because, you know, because like I mainly been wearing this hair curled. I have straightened it and I wore it straight a couple times, but I think I probably only wore it straight for like 3 days. And then other than that, every install, because I've installed this hair 3 times already, I curled it each install basically. And then the last install I tried it straight, but then I was like, I just like the hair better when it's curled, I'm not gonna lie. It still looks cute straight. I think I have a picture or video. It's bomb straight and it stays straight, and it's also bomb curl, and the curls just hold so well, and the curls hold all day. These curls are combed out. I did wand my hair today. Since this is a 13x4 frontal, you guys, it is ear to ear. You can do little styles like this. You can do little styles like this with any 13x4, but I usually never do little hairstyles. That's why I wanted to try something new for today's video. I felt like this was really easy to do. It did take a little bit more time, but it was worth it because this hairstyle is super duper cute. But yeah, the 26 inches does fall pretty long on me. Even while the hair is curled, I feel like this hair looks really long. If you guys haven't, make sure y'all go on my site. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below as well, but I'm gonna just show you guys where this 26 inches falls on me. Basically, when it's stretched, it's all the way down to like my hip. When it's not stretched and it's curled, it's kind of like right below my waist basically. When it's straightened, it's the same like stretched length. This is the back of the unit, and this is the length and where it falls on me. So that's where the hair is falling on me. So honestly, truly, I would definitely get this wig a 9 out of 10. The only reason I won't give it a higher rating is because I haven't been wearing it that long. Yeah, this hair is 150% density, and for 150% density, I'm not gonna lie, this hair is really thick. Maybe it's just thicker since it's longer. The 100% density feels thicker than usual. I feel like this hair is really thick. Like, it feels like it's thicker. I've had like a pretty good amount of shedding, not like a lot of shedding to where like my frontal's balding or anything like that. I've been washing this hair and I've installed it, like I said, 3-4 times now, and the frontal still looks like really bomb. A problem that I'll be having anytime I wash a wig is like I notice like sometimes the frontal gets thinner and thinner, but I haven't had this problem with this wig, though it's been shedding. Hair is not coming from the frontal though, which is better. No tangling though. Honestly, had minimal problems with tangling, and I've been wearing this hair to the gym. So I wore this hair to the gym for the past 3 weeks. Definitely been getting a lot of sweat on it, and that's why I just end up like taking it out and washing it. Really love this wig. I feel like it's a really bomb vacation color, but I think it's even better for the fall right now because we are transitioning into seasons, and I feel like this is just like that perfect color. Like, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more chocolatey, but on camera it looks more like Auburn / orange, and also in the sun it looks way more like ginger and orange. Inside at night it does look a little bit more chocolatey, so I feel like depending on the lighting your hair will look a little bit different. Overall, I really do love this wig. Shout out to Hurela hair. I love this wig like way more than the last wig that they sent me. Like, I'm so obsessed with this color. color. I've been getting so many compliments. Like, everybody's been complimenting the styles, the color, and also the length. So 100% recommend this wig. I really love it. I think it's really bomb, and I honestly don't have many complaints. That was basically it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to click the description box so you guys don't miss on any discounts and sales for this unit. And also let me know down below if you guys have tried this wig, if y'all are gonna try this wig, if y'all like Hurela hair because you've tried it, or you don't like it because you've tried it. Go ahead and comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.